In this video, we will learn DC motor interfacing with PIC microcontroller with the help of MPLAB software and Proteus simulation. As we know, DC motor is a rotary electrical machine used to convert electrical energy into mechanical energy, and it works on principle of electromagnetism. A DC motor, as we know that we need to connect the DC motor with PIC microcontroller. A microcontroller alone cannot provide adequate current for operation of a DC motor. To interface the DC motor with microcontroller, we need to use a driver circuit or a driver IC. L293D is a dual H-bridge high current motor driver integrated circuit. It acts as a current amplifier as it takes low current input signal from microcontroller and provides high current output to the motor. So it supports a peak voltage 36 volt and peak current 600 milliampere. This is the pinout diagram of L293D IC, motor driver IC. Now L293D also requires 5 volt supply at pin number 16 for its internal logical transaction. It has 4 independent driver channels which can be used to drive 4 different DC motors in one direction. The first 2 channels are enabled by pin number 1 and last 2 channels are enabled by 3,4 enable, that is a pin number 16. So this is a interfacing diagram of PIC 18 with L293 and DC motor. The same concept is utilized by the another version of a IC L293D, which is used to drive two motors simultaneously. So in this IC, I1 and I2, these are connected to two port pins RC2 and RC5 of PIC microcontroller. Enable is always connected to a port pin with a voltage 1 or will be connected to 5 volt supply. Grounds are connected and out 1 and out 2 terminals we are connecting motor 1. Here in 3 and in 4 we can connect to another 2 more port pins of the PIC controller with enable at pin number 9, and out 3 and out 4 can be utilized to connection with the motor 2. So with this IC we can drive 2 motor simultaneously. The working of the IC will be explained by a table. This is the table used to drive the motor. If we need to keep the enable pin high so that our driver will be enabled and working. If we make ion 1 high and ion 2 low, motor will rotate in anti-clockwise direction, and En1 low and En2 high, then motor will rotate in clockwise direction. If we keep 2 pins and En1 En2 high, then motor will stop, and if we keep 2 inputs simultaneously low, then again it will stop. And if we enable is low, then the inputs will not be accepted and motor will retain with the stop condition. So this is the working of L293D IC. Now we will see the program with the help of MPLAB software. Now this is a program. We'll see the program from first line. So first of all, again we need to follow the same steps. Build a project, file, build a new project, and just select a source file and write down your program in the source file. Now first of all we will define crystal frequency at 8 megahertz. Then this is a header file. These are the configuration settings as we explained previously. Oscillator should be SC oscillator. Power on reset should be off, watchdog timer should be off, debug should be off, and low voltage protection should be off. So this is the configuration settings. Delay function we are using. So this is a function prototype. Defined prior using the function, and as we are using one motor with IC, so EN1 are connected to RC0 and EN2 is connected to RC2. So these are the connections. In the main program we are using trace register, trace C is equals to 0, so that your RC0 and RC2 will act as output pin, and here EN1 is 1 to make the rotate in the clockwise direction. EN2 is 0, and delay is called EN1 is 0 and EN2 is 1, and delay is called. So very simple and short program, and this is a small delay routine. So we'll debug the code. So it will take some time to debug, and now here the hex file is available. We can copy this hex file, then go to the Proteus. So here we are building a new project. So here we are using we are selecting a particular folder, and now here we will give the name to the project, DC Motors 3. Next, finish. So it will build a project for us. Now go to the component mode and select the required thing, L293D. This is the driver IC. Click on OK, take the IC, then go to the component mode, then DC motor. So here you can select various DC motor. So we are selecting here animated DC motor, so we'll use this DC motor. Rotate now we will use we will connect the DC motor. So we have connected the DC motor. Now we will take PIC 18F microcontroller 4520. So this is a PIC 18F microcontroller IC. So take the IC here. Now as per our connection, RC0 is connected to IN1 and RC2 is connected to IN2. Then go to the terminal mode, take output. So here this is the connect the power, then connect enable 1 to it, and also power to pin number 16, ground to pin number ground pins of the IC, and here we will go to the generator mode and use the DC supply. Here we are connecting DC supply, and give the value as 12 volt. So our connections are done. Yes, our connections are done. Now paste our code, make the crystal frequency 8 megahertz, copy the code and click on OK. Now start the simulation. Now this is the output, and our motor is rotating in the both the direction, clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. This is regarding the DC motor interfacing with PIC microcontroller by using L293D motor IC. Thank you.